തന്നെ അർജുൻ എന്ന് വിളിക്കാനോ അതോ സർക്കാർ എന്ന് വിളിക്കാനോ?
ജനങ്ങൾക്കിടയിൽ അർജുൻ, മൃഗങ്ങൾക്കിടയിൽ സർക്കാർ.
It is different. I mean, that's Rocky Bhai in the world of KGF. This is Arjun Sarkar in his world of HIT.
The dialogues. I'll tell you which dialogue.
തന്നെ അർജുൻ എന്ന് വിളിക്കാനോ അതോ സർക്കാർ എന്ന് വിളിക്കാനോ?
ജനങ്ങൾക്കിടയിൽ അർജുൻ, മൃഗങ്ങൾക്കിടയിൽ സർക്കാർ.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. That was really cute. Thank you so much for doing that. Now,
Thank you for writing it down. Otherwise, we would have struggled.
Yeah, so Hit is known for its very concentrated storytelling because the case 1 and 2 were strictly onto that unconventional thriller style and all. And in this Hit 3, we have seen non-conventional Nani there, lot of violence, bloodshed and all. So what was that one factor that tell us to this Hit 3 I am acting in it? And also about the cameo in part 2.
Okay, so first of all, if you watch my films, I'm always trying to try different genres, and in the same journey, that is the reason, like what you asked is why I haven't done a film like this, why did I do this? And that is the same reason that I've done this film, because I wanted to do something new, something different, and this came my way. I was very happy. And Hit 1 and 2, like you said, it is a very straight narrative. So it's about who done it kind of a film. In the climax, in the end, you'll know who committed the crime. But this film is not like that. This film is more about the experience of the whole film, and there will be a lot of edge of the seat scenes, but it's not about one person. It's about a much larger thing than one person. And
Just want to know about Unanimous, about the name. So is there any something reason behind
Unanimous Productions. The reason is that the fans named, in one word, if I have to say, that my production name Unanimous Productions is decided by the fans. Why? The reason is because I haven't ever thought about that word, and I didn't see the Nani in Unanimous. They showed it to me, and sometimes when during the release times when I go see how the reaction is, or when I post a song, or when I post a trailer, initially I will want to know what they're thinking about it. And whenever I see, they use this word a lot in the quotes in X. And looking at that, I thought, oh, this is what they're attributing to me with so much of love. And if I have to start something new, what better word than take all this energy, take all this love from them, and start from there. So that's how Unanimous Production started. So that's a name given by the fans online on social media, and so they can say that they have named my production house there, and it's theirs too. So I'm happy. Yeah.
മലയാളത്തിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ വയലൻസ് മാർക്കോ ആയിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ അതിനെ ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ട്രെയിലർ കണ്ടോ ഫീൽ ചെയ്തു അതിനെ ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യും?
No, not at all. I don't think so at all. From what I've heard, I didn't watch Marco, but I've heard good things and extreme things also about the film. So, but I would love to watch it someday, and I congratulate the team for the kind of impact they've done. But no, I don't think, from whatever little I've heard about the film, has anything to do with it. Theatre is a very different kind of a genre in itself, and the reason for the violence and the purpose and everything is extremely different. And I don't think we went over that or anything like that. I don't think when you watch the film, you will feel it like, oh, violent film we are watching. No, you'll think you're seeing a crime thriller, and then violence just comes as a part of it. Yeah.
റോക്കി ബൈയുടെ റൊമാൻസിംഗ് എவ்வளോ ഡിഫറെന്റ് ആർക്ക് അർജുൻ സർക്കാർ റൊമാൻസ്
Even Arjun Sarkar
How
romance are
different is it romancing Rocky Bhai and romancing Arjun Sarkar? What a question. Start.
Hi, Nanu.
One second. One answer. After one answer, we'll move to the next question.
It is different. I mean, that's Rocky Bhai in the world of KGF. This is Arjun Sarkar in his world of HIT 3. But I can say that both are very aggressive men, and Reena and Mridula had tough task calming the angry men, but I think their love is, they do have their vulnerabilities, both. They do have their emotional side, which only the respective ladies get to see, that Surina and Mridula has got to see. Yeah, and I think it's a very beautiful love, which you should witness on screen. At least this one. That one you've already witnessed. This one also you should witness on screen.
You're happy?
Rocky
No,
Bhai
sir.
or Arjun Sarkar?
He wants which one, Rocky Boy or Arjun Sarkar? I'm not telling you which one. See,
You
Rocky,
happy or no?
what you wanted?
No, I'm asking, are you happy? Are you happy or no? What do you
Happy or no? Happy or
Happy or
no?
no?
Happy or
He's
no?
happy.
Yeah. Now, Rocky Boy, we already got, everybody's happy. Now, this one, Arjun Sarkar. Here, Arjun Sir.
Nani garu,
Ikkarandi.
hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you too.
I have two questions regarding the names. How confident or dare to name a movie as hit before it becomes a box office hit?
HIT means Homicide Intervention Team, so it is a coincidence that we call it hit and then we call the hit films hit. So we are, I don't know, I'm extremely confident about the success of the film, but the fact that we call it hit and is a nice, interesting coincidence that it matches with our box office results guide, that word, yeah.
And my second question is your exact name, Wikipedia shown me, Ganga Naveen Babu. Then why you change your name as Nani?
No, my name is Nani only. Yeah, when I was born, the first thing they started calling me is Nani. And when they joined me in school, they thought Nani is like a pet name, we cannot put that name. And then they gave me a name called Naveen Babu. So my Naveen Babu was the name for the school, but my family, my friends, always called me Nani. So I thought fans and film lovers should also call me, because they are the extended family. So it went with Nani, but Naveen is just for my passport and for the school part, yeah.
I think I should use this opportunity because I'm a film director. I have directed two short films in Malayalam. Also, I have received Best Director Award from Vellore Institute at VIT Chennai.
Oh, nice, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
All the very best, yeah.
I heard that you always give chance to young directors. Could you please give me a chance to enter in the industry? If you like my story,
100%, definitely.
Sir,
If is that like a
Yes,
synopsis or something?
yes.
Second, somebody pass it on to us. I will definitely read on the way or maybe in the flight, okay?
Sir, most number of directors you have introduced in the Telugu film industry, so I know you always
I hope it's not written in
consider.
Malayalam.
No, sir.
Take up John Abin. Yeah. He wrote it on the envelope, please don't put it in dustbin. Oh, I wouldn't. Hey, why are you shivering? Don't shiver. Yeah.
This is the synopsis.
This is the short film? Then I'll watch it.
Sir, this is the synopsis of the story.
Okay.
Yes.
100% I'll read it. Today on the way only I'll read it. Or once I get into the flight, I will spend some time. I'll watch the YouTube short also. Contact number, everything is there. I will not miss any question. This is my job. This is my responsibility. Not for you. I'll do it for me. Okay? Thank you. I will offer bits to English. Yes, of course. Good luck. All the very best. If say with the same person, I can see your heart is beating fast. I know. I can understand your love for cinema. If you continue this, if not me, someone, you will reach the place you want to reach. Yeah? Good luck. 100%. Good luck. All the very best. All the best.
Hi Nani, here.
Hi.
Hi. You had actually tweeted about the Pahalgam incident, right? And you spoke about how in Kashmir it was a beautiful experience. But I think, do you think that this incident is going to affect filmmaking in Srinagar, in Kashmir, in Pahalgam in the future?
I want to save that comment for some other day because it just happened and they are still in the heat of the moment and we're still trying to digest what just happened. So to think about how the shooting atmosphere will be or will the films will be made, I, maybe we'll wait for a little long and then maybe discuss that. Thank you.
സാറേ എൻ്റെ പേര് ശ്രീനിവാസ് എന്നാണ് ഞാൻ
Hi,
സെക്കൻഡ്
Srinivas.
റോളിലാണ്
Oh,
ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ നിങ്ങളെ
yeah. Hi guys.
സാറേ ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുന്നത് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഹിറ്റ് 3 സാറിനുണ്ടായ ഒരു മൂമെന്റ് ഫൺ മൂമെന്റ് എന്തെങ്കിലും നടന്നിട്ടുണ്ടോ
Hit the thriller fun moment on the set, sir?
ഷൂട്ടിംഗ് ടൈം
Shooting, okay. Fun moment was, I think, when we shot in, not fun moment, what would you say? You're thinking of something you're remembering. You know? Not a fun moment, but it was like we were fully stuck in snow in Srinagar when we were coming back from the. It was fun in a way. Initially, when we, like 2.5 days, we were stuck in. We couldn't move out of anywhere because it was all snow every day. And me and Samu sir and Sailesh, with great difficulty, tried to walk out, but it was snow. We couldn't step aside. And we were thinking how good, nice it would have been if we could. It's okay if we're getting stuck here, but if we could go to some theater in Srinagar and watch a film or something, and then we just turned, and then we realized the theater and the hotel are only one wall is dividing us. Yeah, and it's the only theater in Srinagar. We saw Pushpa. Yeah, yeah, and we took some snacks and went, and the security guy didn't tell us the snacks. So yeah, that was one, just got stuck, nothing, city is all stalled, but we still got to, we were the only ones in the theater, nobody, and we got to see the film. So those are some few fun memories like that, yeah.
താങ്ക് യു ആണ് താങ്ക് യു
Hindi Pushpa. Yeah, I didn't get to see the Telugu.
താങ്ക് യു ആണ്
We all know that it's extremely wrong, and what happened is very, very unfortunate. We were shooting for our film just a few months back, and it is heartbreaking to know that news. And when we, of course, it is happening with whatever this religion or whatever issues are all always played one part in all of this, and but how the new younger generation react to that is also extremely important. If we that some extreme serious action have to be taken, and I hope this whoever this cowards are who did this act face her. If they have guts, they should go face the Indian army and not the innocent tourists or civilians. And that's very unfortunate. But at the same time, in the name of all these things, when everyone, even on social media, everywhere, when they fight and then there's nothing coming out of that, there's only hate and all those things. It makes me very, very sad. And what happened is extremely unfortunate, and I hope someone takes action immediately and make sure that these kind of horrific incidents don't happen again.
Hi Anaya. Here.
Hi. Hi,
I'm
Tamil.
Akash from Calicut.
Hi, Akash.
Huge admirer from Iga.
Thank you.
Watched Ashtachamma, Bale Bale Magadi Boy,
Thank you.
Alamodala Indi,
Angane to
everything.
in Malayalam. I
I watched
remember the
everything
name.
in Telugu. I watched Iga in Malayalam, Icha,
Ah.
and after that I watched everything in Telugu
Oh, wow.
with subtitles. And now I don't need subtitles.
Oh, so
Yeah.
good. So what are you watching Hit 3 in
In Telugu only.
in Telugu only?
Actually,
Okay.
to be frank, this Malayalam felt cringe for me, but only because I watched Telugu.
You're only used
Yeah,
to it.
that's why.
But the Malayalam audience here approve the Malayalam trailer?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So,
Then I think it's a different nanny after Dasara.
ah.
Okay, so
Hmm.
can we expect that Bale Bale Magadi Boy kind of movies?
So I think after, not immediately after Hit 3, but definitely I'm looking to do something like that, and maybe post Paradise, and after that one more film is there. After next two films, I really want to do a film like Bale Bale Magadve or Pammal Ke Sambandham or Tenali or Panchalandram kind of a film. things fall in place. For you, I'll do it for sure.
Nancy, to your right. Nancy, to your right.
Ladies and gentlemen,
To your
last
right.
two questions.
To your right. Fine.
Last two questions.
So after the trailer, the talk was regarding the violence part of the film. Especially after Marco from Kerala, there has been a huge talk that the violence movies have been an influential part of the society as well. So coming to Hit 3, will it break the kind of violence that we have seen, or is it going to create a new impact to the audience?
Like I just said already, I didn't watch the film, sorry. So I cannot really comment on that film, but I can say, while when you watch the film Hit 3, you'll not think about violence at all. You'll be so glued into the story, you'll just want to know what happens next. And even when you walk out of the theatre, violence is not what you'll talk. You'll talk about how much you like the film or what kind of experience you had. So it is not about violence. I'm not looking at it like that yet.
What's the main factor to impress this script? What's the main factor?
Main factor is that how the grammar of this film is extremely new, because it is something which is extremely realistic, also delivers the big screen kind of an entertainment, like, of course I can call it entertainment. Anything which is gripping, anything which engrosses you is entertainment. So it is big screen entertainment in a thriller, realistic film. So I think that's a great combination.
Sir, your friend Sukshma Dutt in Nasriya movie.
I've heard great things and she won Best Actress award, and I'm extremely proud of her and extremely happy. So congratulations to entire Sukshma Darshini team.
Thank you so
How
much.
is Basil Joseph acting? How is Basil Joseph acting?
Amazing. Oh, he's back to back on fire completely. And entire Malayalam cinema, I think, has been constantly delivering some great films, and for that we need to say thank you to the whole industry for doing that. Yeah.
Sir.
You acted with KGF, Yash, Rocky Bhai, and now hit with Arjun Sarkar. Who is the most dangerous character? Who is the most brutal character?
They will not leave me, no? It's either Rocky Boy or either Arjun Sarkar. Can we I know, he's asking who's brutal. Now both of them were brutal in their own world. I can't compare. In KGF, there was nobody other than Rocky Boy could be brutal. And here in Arjun Sarkar's world, it is Arjun Sarkar. So yeah, can we not compare Rocky and Arjun? I love both of them. Please.
അതിലെ ലുക്ക് ഭയങ്കര രസം പോലീസുകാരെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോഴൊരു സ്റ്റഡി ബോഡി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പക്കരൊക്കെ
The cops can't have beard and all, no, generally. So, but because we created our fictional extended branch of cops, HIT, Homicide Intervention Team, we have our own rules. We can do whatever we want to do.